Common question we receive as mortgage professionals are what are VA non-allowable fees? So when completing an Arizona purchase contract, you'll notice that there's a section for VA loans, and you'll need to know how much to put in for the non-allowable fees. But first, you'll need to understand there are 3 designations of fees that go into the transaction for a VA loan. First, there are non-allowable fees. These are fees that can never be charged to the veteran. Second, there are allowable fees with a maximum. And third, there are itemized fees and charges that are not subject to a max. First section is the non-allowable fees. I've listed them out here so you can take a look at them. You'll notice that they are uncommon to have included in a mortgage, so usually this is not a problem because it's typically never charged to the veteran. Second is the section for the allowable fees, but it's subject to a 1% maximum of the loan amount. Now, this may cover any of the lender fees that are not identified as the itemized fees or charges. So you'll notice on the very top there that the settlement fee is included. So in Arizona, on the Arizona contract, you'll notice that there's a line item, line 83, that includes the escrow fee included in the contract already. So that is nice because that's already taken care of unless it's altered. So keep that in mind. But I do want to point out the typical costs in this section are about $2,200, including the escrow fee. So what we recommend is asking for a contribution from the seller of about $1,500. This ensures we don't exceed the threshold of 1%. But I want to caution you a little bit because if you get in a competitive situation, I don't want you to lose out on the house just because you're trying to ask for seller credits for your veteran buyer. So all we really have to have is at least the escrow fee covered, unless you're going with a small loan size. So as you can see, if the loan size is much less, say less than around about 150, it's really important to ask for additional seller credits. I've also provided here a list of itemized fees and charges that are not subject to a maximum charge. So you'll see they list out the appraisal, the recording, hazard insurance. So some of the standard fees you'll see in a loan that's part of the process, but you'll see those listed here as well. So take a look at this. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to learn more, feel free to click on the link below that I provided or reach out to me. My direct number is 480-251-6141. Again, that's my cell phone number, 480-251-6141. Really appreciate you checking out this video, and I hope it helps.